Good Thursday. Before we get to today's review and meal, here we have some homemade ginger dressing. Maybe the best I've made. It is so good. I'm showing you this because this is about how much we made. The recipe is in the description. Oh man, you could eat this by the spoonful. Oh man. Oh boy. Oh man. It's delicious. Back in the fridge. I'll see you in a minute. Impossible chicken patties. When I saw these a couple days ago, I thought that reminded me of DOJO's. DOJO. You know we love DOJO. We miss DOJO from New York. And I had to find out what it tastes like. Chicken patties. Made from plants. No cholesterol, 50% less saturated fat, 10 grams of protein per serving. Ingredient list. We'll just read off a couple of top thingies. Water, wheat flour, soy protein concentrate, soybean oil, sunflower oil, blah 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 blah. Cultured dextrose, yeast extract, garlic powder. You know, it doesn't look that bad. We're gonna nuke them. You've got conventional oven, air fryer, and microwave. Place frozen patty on microwave safe dish. Do not cover. Heat on high 1 patty for 1 minute. Flip patty over. Heat additional minute. Let's take a look at it. Let's nuke it. And we're gonna have our little fake DOJO's party. I like that it's got a self-sealing bag. It's very attractive looking. It's very thin. Got a weird kind of shape. They couldn't make it round. We've got our ginger dressing. Ooh. 1 minute. Ginger dressing and brown rice. Forget about it. Oh. That is so good. Oh my gosh. Flipped. 1 minute. The plate's a little hot. We are done. Impossible chicken patty. There you go. It's pretty thin. I wish it were thicker. All right, we're going to try it plain, and then we'll try it with some ginger dressing. It's going to be hot. Let me show you. This is an edge. You see how thin? That is a lot of breading, not much filling. If it tastes good, who cares? Let's try it. I think it's delicious. Does it taste like chicken? It's just, there's so much breading. It's like all breading. But it tastes really good. It doesn't have an aftertaste to me, which a lot of these foods might often have. Let's try another piece before we get to our ginger dressing. Wow. It's delicious. This would make a great sandwich. This would taste really good on a sandwich. I'm getting the flavor of like a chicken consommé, which is not a bad thing. Let's try it with a little ginger dressing. And you know this goes really good with brown rice. I'm just saying. All right, I'm just going to put it right on there. We're going to put a little on the brown rice. I wanted to get alfalfa sprouts. Publix does not sell alfalfa sprouts anymore. You can get bean sprouts. Boy, let's try it with some ginger dressing. See if it touches our DOJO memory nerve. Here we go. Impossible chicken patty and ginger dressing. I think it's delicious. The patty is just so thin. There's so much breading, it's very chewy. Try another one. It's good. Let's get some brown rice and ginger dressing. Oh. This is what reminds me of DOJO's, by the way. More so than anything, I think. I'm pretty impressed. I think it was almost $8 a bag. How many are in a bag? So you get 5 patties for about $8. They're not cheap. Let's try it again. That's what we're here for. Impossible chicken patties. Very thin. Very thin. A lot of breading. Let's eat a tomato. If you're trying to get away from eating animals, I think they did a pretty good job here. I don't know if I can cut it. Can I cut some of the breading off? Let's see if I can get the breading off this. Let's try it without the breading. We'll try it plain and then we'll try it with the ginger. It's very firm. They have chicken nuggets too, by the way. I'm not sure. Let's try the breading by itself. Breading is very tough. I'm not sure I wouldn't know this is chicken. It's just very tough. Now it tastes a little dry to me. Good flavor though. It's got good flavor. Into the hole. A little bit more on here. I always asked for extra dressing when I was at DOJO. Impossible chicken patties. Flavor, I have to give it a 10. I'm surprised. Texture, it's a little tough. It's too thin. It might make a great sandwich, like to have it on here if you've got lettuce and tomato. Put it on a sandwich. Oh, with avocado and lettuce. Price-wise, it's very expensive. Over $1 a patty. Thanks for joining me this Thursday. You know what I'm going to say? What am I going to say? Thanks for watching. Get a radish. No alfalfa sprouts. Brown rice and ginger dressing. This takes you back.